Gotta hide the sweat. It's hella hot. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be dyeing my hair. I'm gonna be trying the Arctic Fox, the Girls Night. I'll put the link below. I got this one at Sally's for like 17 bucks. And then I want to do a little experiment and I want to add the 050, the Wella toner that they also sell at Sally's. So I'm gonna go get my stuff ready. Are y'all ready? Woo! Okay, so we're good to go. I already have my painting shirt, whatever you call this. This is a shirt that I wear all the time that I do my hair. Like I said, I'll be using the Arctic Fox Girls Night. It's this one right here. And like I said, I'll leave the link below. And I'll also be using the additive that I told you guys. It's this one, the Wella 050. And I'll be leaving the link below as well so you guys can check it out from Sally's, both of them. So usually when I dye my hair and it's something that's not permanent, that I have to use like a developer, I try to just mix it however I want, but I want to do the experiment of adding the 050 because that one's the one that has like the silver-ish into it. Usually these have lasted me like 43, maybe even 5 washes, and it's worked. I wash my hair like twice or 3 times a week depending on like if I'm sweaty or if it's a hot day or whatever the day is. I try to wash my hair the least amount that I possibly can. I'm gonna start mixing this and let's see how it goes. Okay, so the paint is good to go and I'm gonna section my hair. I usually do 4 sections, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And then I put my gloves on. All right, so gloves are on and we're gonna start. I usually start from the front. I'll do these 2 sections first and then I'll go to the back. But you can start either way. And me, I always start from the front and then I do the back and it works perfectly fine. So. Alright, so I am done and I'm just gonna clip it and I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes and then I'll be back. So this is the result. First of all, I actually processed my hair for 45 minutes. I started making TikToks and then I forgot that I had to do a video showing how it looked when it was already ready to wash. And then I washed it and I was like, wow. So this is already the full look. I'm not mad. I was expecting more purple, a little bit. I mean, the ends were pretty lightened, so I thought I was gonna get more purple, like more like a lavender kind of color. The ends do look a little purple. My root still looks gray, and I kind of like it because I feel that it looks grayer than it did before. So hopefully it stays like this because every time I wash it, it just falls off and I hate it. It's so crazy because every time that I dye my hair has a mind of its own, but I never hate it. I'm always like, okay, it looks cute, it looks good. And then with some makeup on, you're like, damn, it look good. So, I mean, whatever. I really like it. But this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.